To remove the speaker cover, first remove the stand. Detach the two Phillips No. 2 screws inside the stand attachment well area that secure the speaker cover to the unit. Carefully flip the unit over to face the front of the unit up. Pry off the speaker cover from the front of the LCD panel area, being careful of the front of the LCD panel. The speaker cover has several tabs at its top that fit into slots on the LCD frame, as well as several smaller tabs on the bottom inside rim that snap under other tabs on the LCD frame. To replace the speaker cover, align the tabs over their slots and tabs, and press the speaker cover firmly until all tabs have snapped into place and the mesh is evenly pressed against the rest of the front of the unit. Secure the speaker cover to the PC with its two Phillips No. 2 screws in the stand well area.